Welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPhone user, you've probably experienced the frustration of a black screen at some point. Today, we're here to show you how to fix that annoying issue using iPhone FixPo, a powerful tool that can get your iPhone back to normal in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's get your iPhone into recovery mode. This crucial step allows your device to restart and can resolve system-related issues that cause the black screen. Make sure to wait a few seconds while entering recovery mode, then simply press Exit to leave it. This simple process can restore your iPhone's functionality and get you back to using it without hassle. Now that we've successfully tackled the black screen issue with iPhone FixPo, it's essential to understand why this problem occurs and how to prevent it in the future. A malfunctioning iPhone can be incredibly frustrating, especially when it affects your daily activities. That's why having a reliable solution like iPhone FixPo is crucial for any iPhone user.